solve for x if we know that log base 8 of 4 is equal to x. So the first thing we should do is recall the equivalence between log notation and exponent notation, right? So we've got y is equal to log base b of x is the same thing as saying x is equal to b to the y power. So in this case, equating it with our equation up there, we have that y is equal to x, the base is 8, and x in this case, is equal to 4. So now using these substitutions up here, we get x, which is 4, is equal to b, which is 8, to the y power, and in this case y is equal to x. So we have 4 is equal to 8 to the x power. So now the way we simplify this is to write these in terms of exponents. So we know 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, and 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed. Right, so I just did that little replacement there. I haven't really changed anything. So rewriting this, we get that 2 squared is equal to 2 to the 3 times x. This is just using the properties of exponents, where if you take a power to a power, you just multiply the exponents. So now notice this equation. We have 2 squared is equal to 2 to the 3x. Now the only way these two guys can be equal, since the base is both 2, is if 2 is equal to 3x, right? It is if the exponents are equal to each other. So now, solving for x, we divide both sides by 3. So we get x is equal to 2/3.